morning from Fukuoka. We are all ready and packed up to hit the road again. We've had a lovely stay here. It's going to be a cloudy day today, but there shouldn't be any rain, so that's pretty perfect. You ready to hit the road again?
Yeah, I just got to punch in the coordinates.
Travelling much lighter now without any of the camping equipment, so that makes me pretty happy. Really enjoyed Fukuoka. It's a canal city. It's easy to get around. It's bicycle friendly.
Good morning, everyone. So we're making our way out of Fukuoka this morning. As we are in the heart of Hakata, there was lots of places to eat and have coffee, but now they're already slim. I wonder what time it'll be before we get to have breakfast today. Cecile has just lost her load. Dropped her jacket. And now she's good.
Mainly stayed in the Hakata Park. There used to be two separate cities, Hakata and Fukuoka, but they have merged.
I have a feeling this is something we're going to have to get used to very quickly in Japan, is riding on tight roads with no shoulder and cars that want to miss you very closely. At least they're going slow, that's a good thing, and they're very courteous, which is also a good thing.
Arigato. I don't know. Found this place, the Stockholm brunch. It's a bakery over here. And we have sit-down meals with live music. So this is what I ended up with for brunch. But it just looked like prosciutto, but Crichton's has the same, and he said there's also tuna paste in there. So that's an interesting combination, prosciutto and tuna paste, but try something new. We got an orange juice, and this one is something with orange in it. Look at the pretty entrance to this bakery. It's hugely popular as well. And lunch was very nice, wasn't it?
Yes, it was nice.
And I still got my orange snack for on the road. Let's continue on.
A little bit of a detour off the designated maps direction. See if we can get closer to the beach. A bit more scenery rather than city. It is pretty much city all around the coast line, or most parts of it.
Konnichiwa.
Oops. I think we needed to take another path. There it is. Oh, this will test the skinny wheels out. Oh, will he make it? Yes, he made it. I gotta get a picture of Cecile crossing there. Low down. Change gears.
Yeah, no. I'm not gonna attempt it. I already fell in the sand once this trip. I didn't see it. I turned a corner, went down.
She's allergic to sand. One of these days. Speed. Speed is the answer to sand.
Did you ride it?
Yes.
You did? Yeah. I still have my last fall in my memory in the gravelly scene. It's a pretty nice beach. Sure it'd be well used here in summer.
Severe headwind at the beach. It's a nice looking beach too.
hoverboard, hover windsurfing board. It's the afternoon now and we've arrived in our accommodation. We're doing Air BNB tonight. And I am just in love with this place. It is just so beautiful. Have a look at my view. We have the whole house to ourselves. And this is the garden. And this is the entrance. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then there is a toilet, which is huge room. Some more pretty Japanese things and art. Everything is squeaky clean as well. So we have the bathroom. Washing machine. And then here we have the kitchen. Everything's here. Dining area. Television. And also a play area for the kids. The luggage storage. A nice seating area to enjoy the garden. And then this is the bedroom in the middle of the house, the tatami room. It's all cedar wood. There's even cedar wood on the ceiling. Look how pretty this is. It looks like we're going to be very cozy tonight with the polar bears. Such pretty things wherever you look, really Japanese things.